Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back my YouTube channel PKWheel 2024. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the beast that is the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. This truck isn't just for grocery runs, it's for conquering mountains, dominating dusty trails, and leaving pavement in the rearview mirror. So, fire up your wanderlust and get ready to explore the wilderness on four wheels. Trailhunter isn't your average Tacoma. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this truck means business. The aggressive stance, chiseled hood, and chunky all-terrain tires scream adventure is calling. Toyota didn't hold back on the off-road goodies either. Rock rails, skid plates, and a lifted suspension shield the undercarriage from Mother Nature's wrath. And with an approach angle of 35 degrees and a departure angle of 26.5 degrees, this truck will claw its way over just about anything. But the Trailhunter isn't just about looks. It's got the muscle to match. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine pumping out 278 horsepower and 278 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough grunt to conquer steep climbs, plow through sand dunes, and leave lesser trucks in the dust. And let's not forget the new crawl control and multi-terrain select systems. These bad boys take the guesswork out of off-roading, adjusting traction and torque to dominate any terrain, from slippery rocks to loose gravel. Okay, let's be honest, even the most hardcore adventurers need a break from the bumps and bruises. That's where the Trailhunter's surprisingly comfortable interior comes in. The seats are supportive and plush, even after hours of bouncing over rocks. The infotainment system is intuitive and keeps you connected, even when you're miles from civilization. And with ample storage space, you can pack all the gear you need to make your next adventure epic. 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter isn't just a truck, it's an invitation to explore. It's a powerful, capable machine that can handle anything you throw at it, from weekend getaways to epic overland journeys. So, if you're ready to ditch the pavement and embrace the wild, the Trailhunter is your chariot. Just remember, pack your sense of adventure, because with this truck, the only limit is your imagination. Thanks for joining me on this off-road odyssey. If you're considering the Trailhunter, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more PKWheel 2024.